Konbanwa, guten Abend, and welcome to another episode. So what we do today, as you see, we're already on a highway gas station. We invited by WB Cars for some of their smaller meets to film and to, maybe grab some good cars. Big shout out to them. And this meet is located at Raunheim at a big grocery store parking lot. I would say we're gonna drive there. Let's check what cars we do find there, and let's chat which people we see, which people we know already. It's 20 past 9 p.m. so young evening. Let's see what this night will bring, and let's see if we can grab some cool cars. Ikimashou. Okay, in between summary, so we're still on a drive. We had to park somewhere because they didn't let us in. There are cars everywhere. So I would say I'm gonna search a parking spot now, and we directly start with some cool clips about some cool cars. Cheers. Alright everybody, so the meeting is in full going, as you see here. I need to check if I can blend out the music, because we have a car playing music there, a car playing music over there. People are revving up frequently, so it's way more calm than other car meets. Nice behavior of the people, really good, I enjoyed it. Also hope you enjoyed the clip so far. We already checked some people we meet. So Ali's here with the 5 Series. We have another guy we know rolling in there. So a lot of people we know, a lot of people to say hi, and a pretty amazing meet. The good news is there's no food court, and I had my dinner already before I went here. So for me personally, really cool meet. I really appreciate it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take over that row and that row, because there are cars as well I didn't see yet. So you guys now will see some more clips, and let's see what cars will come in, and what else we will find here tonight. Alright everybody, as you see, we're not anymore at the Meet. The reason for this is pretty simple. Well, it started raining a little bit. Well, it wasn't the real issue, but more and more cars were leaving the Meet because it was running pretty late. We now have like, let me check. Yeah, it's 1 AM already. So, and as you see, Super is sleeping still on this nice sheet. So, big shout out to WB Cars. Fantastic Meet, and for the short amount of time, I think the plan was 1 week, and organized staff, merch shop, little entry fee, what was about €2, what is totally okay for me. I'm fine with that. I'm happy to support groups if they do something for the community, and they do so. Pretty fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the clip so far. I'm sorry that this is a little bit of a shorter video, but it wasn't much to film there, right? And the cars that were there, very good quality, nice built cars, but I have to promise to my community to keep the quality up as well, and this is the reason why I said, okay, I prefer shorter content more than the long ways. I mean, if we had a SEMA at Auto Salon or at Ultrace, something different, but I hope that's okay for you. So, if you still watching the video until that point, go and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's free, and it really, really, really helps me a lot. So, that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.